And we've had this ice sitting on the eel for about, I would say about 30 minutes so far, right? And hopefully it's gone to sleep, Chef Andy?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we have, actually this one, a live one, and we just do sleeping now, so still moving in here.
Yeah.
Oop. Keep an eye, Bo.
So it's got a lot of, what is this white stuff on it? This is the slime, right?
Sliminess, yeah.
Okay, let's take a look at that. So what's the best way?
Still moving a lot here. Yeah, side away. Okay.
They do this in Japan so often.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you got paper. Nigadama is just not good, so we have to work it out.
Yeah, most people when they fillet it's already done, right? I don't know how they dispatch it, but
Yeah,
it's very, very fresh still.
we need to still more sleeper better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So halfway in. 마나이다가動く. Not a fun parts.
Not the fun part, right?
Just need your muscles a bit of small.
Just like the other ones that you did before. There's a layer of kind of like slime on the outside of the eel. Very hard to grab as well. Okay, it's pretty much done.
Yeah. And we do for liver. Eatable.
Can you make eel sauce from that as well? Would you
We
recommend
use
it?
for the bone to making a stock.
Okay.
This one here.
Here, this is kind of like the monkey back prickle face deal, right? Than you did in California.
Okay. So just what we do right away, wash it and then do stock making. And we do
So is this similar to the one in Japan? Is this eel type of eel similar to the one in Japan? Like unagi or anago?
yeah, unagi for this one here. So yeah, taking out the knife not working. Mix it wrong. Okay. This one's good. This one's good. This here. All duty parts done. So
Okay.
we started to. これでさっきのお湯でします。